On this episode of What It Looks Like, we have Margaritaville Sunset Shrimp Scampi. This is what it looks like on the package. Yeah, it looks really, really good. And what's interesting is that I didn't know Margaritaville had restaurants. Like, this is a Jimmy Buffett chain of restaurants. And I counted on their website, there are 29 different ones. And they have one here in Atlanta, so that is new to me. I might have to check it out, depending on if this particular meal passes the What It Looks Like scrutiny, which we're gonna find out soon here, but this is what it says. Sunset Shrimp Scampi, tail-off shrimp in lemon garlic butter sauce. So that sounds really delicious, but the question is, what does it smell like? What does it taste like? And what does it look like? So that's why you are here. We're gonna find this out today on What It Looks Like, starting now.
Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it's good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like.
Alright, let's open up the box. Let's see here. Oh, we have tabs right here. Okay, perfect. Let's see how it looks on the inside. Let's have to break it. Oh, these shrimp are huge. Look at that. Very interesting, very interesting. So they come pre-coated with all the lemon garlic butter sauce on there already. Okay, so we gotta cook it in a skillet over medium heat. The instructions say there's no need to add any oil or anything. The shrimp will make its own oil. So place in a single layer in the skillet. It's already starting to melt. There we go. And you're gonna cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes. And look at that butter sauce in there, it's looking great. And I didn't add anything in there. So you do wanna stir it, flip them over frequently. Y'all can cook nice and even, but more importantly, so they can be done. It cooks up a lot of butter in here. Boy, this is smelling wonderful. Look at that, it looks so good. Hopefully all the butter doesn't cook out. I would like to have it on there. So far it's looking great. Oh man, look at that butter. Oh, that looks so delicious. Oh, the herbs in there, it turned out really good. I cannot wait to try. Look at steaming hot. Man, that looks fantastic. Fantastic. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. About 2 servings per container, serving size 5 ounces, or about 8 shrimp. We will do the whole container. So calories per container, 570. Total fat, 49 grams. Saturated fat, 16 grams. Trans fat, 1 gram. Cholesterol, 285 milligrams. Sodium, 940 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 7 grams. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. Total sugars, 3 grams. Protein, 24 grams. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is fantastic. Boy, that looks so delicious. Look at all the butter in here, all the herbs on top of the shrimp. Oh, that looks so good. It looks just like it does on the box here. Look at all the herbs and things on top of the shrimp there. Now on the box, they put it over some pasta, which I think would be fantastic over pasta, because look at all the sauce you get on there with the shrimp. I mean, it looks so delicious. I mean, it's got tons and tons of seasonings in there. Look at that. Now, you can't quite tell that it has that much on the box in terms of like what you see here in real life. It looks really, really good. The butter in here, I mean, it's actually a lot of butter. A lot more than I expected, but man, it looks fantastic. It looks really good. Margaritaville, I must say, it looks just like the box. It looks just like the box. It looks very appetizing. I think you did a wonderful job. Oh, it smells so good. The butter, everything in here smells delicious. The herbs from on top of the shrimp here smells wonderful. It doesn't really smell like lemon per se. It has a very, very strong butter smell to it. But the shrimp smells good. It doesn't smell freezer burn at all, which is great. Let's hope it doesn't taste that way. But boy, it smells absolutely divine. Oh, it smells really, really good. This meal right here, the tail-off shrimp garlic butter sauce, oh, it smells wonderful. Now, when it was cooking, it smelled just like it does now. I mean, it smelled great in the kitchen. It's so far so good with this one. So far so good. I'm pretty impressed with the way that it smells. I think that when you smell this, you will not be disappointed whatsoever. It smells like it's gonna taste fantastic. So we're gonna see. All right, here we go. Oh man. Oh, that's a good burst of flavor. This tastes really good. Wow. This is, I feel like I'm at a restaurant eating this like right now. It tastes really good. It cooked up fantastic. I'm really impressed with the way this meal tastes. Wow, very good, Margaritaville. Very good. I mean, you know what? I taste a hint of the fact that it's been in the freezer. I'm not gonna lie. I do taste just a hint of it. It has this kind of weird, I guess you call it freezer burn, but not really, because it's not to the level of freezer burn. It's more just like I just came out of the freezer. I'm not like completely fresh shrimp. I guess that's what we could say. Doesn't have a completely fresh shrimp taste to it, which I guess can be kind of expected. I mean, who knows how long it's been frozen. But it tastes good. I can definitely eat it again. In fact, I think that I am going to cook some pasta and put this over the pasta, just like what you saw in the box, because I feel like that's going to be fantastic. So I bought this at Walmart. It was $6.48. So I guess it's not bad for one meal, because it's definitely not enough shrimp here for 2 meals. So I can only have 1 meal with it, but I think it's going to be a fantastic meal, especially over the pasta. So I can't wait for that. In fact, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like over the pasta here. Just give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Oh man, look at that. Looks so good over this pasta. Get all that off the plate. Just like that, I got some pasta with it. Let's see how it's gonna taste with the pasta. This is wonderful. Just as I expected. Oh, it tastes so good with the pasta. This bite of shrimp also has a little bit, just a hint of freezer burn to it too. So I think it's gonna be like that for the whole thing. But I can get past it though, because the flavors in here are really, really good. So yeah, small little hint of freezer burn is nothing to worry about. Just keep eating, just keep on eating, and you'll be just fine. But otherwise, it tastes really, really good.
Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points.
And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 8! Next up is taste. See 8. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 9. Glad to see you came back to watch another one of our videos. You know, we're gonna keep showing you what it smells like, what it tastes like, and of course, you know it, what it looks like. So what I need for you to do right now is to like and subscribe today. Don't make me come over there, okay? Do it today. If you see something at the grocery store you want us to try for you, you leave me a comment down below, and if I can find it for you, I'll show you what it looks like.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant. But we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.